Till the next round. Especially when we face hard times, it is all the more important that we remain balanced and focused on what matters to us. Sadhguru. In the corridor of life. Each breath is a blessing, and in golf each shot is a test of temperament, of patience, the ability to plan, the skills of execution, the capability of reading the surroundings, of aiming at the target, and of coordination between the body and mind. In all paths in life see hurdles and hardships, and at all fairways in golf there are roughs, hazards and bunkers. It's not unusual to fall into pits, in both games of life and golf. It's our handling of those obstacles that defines what we are made of. Some avoid storms and others sail through them and storm the storm itself. Only those who do not care much about the shore and only live for sailing will pierce through the raging tempests and see the stars again. Columbus went around the world in 1492. That isn't a lot of strokes when you consider the course. Lee Trevino. Neither is everyone on a voyage, nor are all of us sailors. Yes, but no one escapes hazards and bunkers. Where there is breath, there is difficulty. Golf teaches us how to maintain composure in difficult times. Science tells us to wear masks in a pandemic. The teacher trains us to pass hard exams. What matters is the fighting spirit. And what it takes is harsh training. Submit to a daily practice. Your loyalty to that is a ring at the door. Keep knocking. And the joy inside will eventually open a window and look out to see who's there. Rumi. We can only make attempts to recover from a loss. The result is never guaranteed. The outcome means less, but trying matters the most. We can only flip wings when someone else blows the wind. In case one falls into the lap of failure, one should accept it honorably and begin preparing for the next round. Instead of living on the remains of defeat, one should move on to the practice range for better shots in future. Ben Hogan teaches us that the most important shot in golf is the next one. Move on to prove yourself. Each new step takes us further from our place of defeat. Those who carry the ingredients of a victor always take defeat differently. Like what Nelson Mandela said, I never lose. I either win or learn. The labor we put in to train hard, the time we spend on practice, the sweat we drain in the gym would never go to waste. It will definitely reflect in the next fight. Your steps into the next round after intense training tell the ground underneath your feet that this hard-working and industrious player means business. Everything from grains of sand to hummingbirds begin to take your side. The wind blows in your favor and the sun shines to appease you. The glory of hard labor is reflected through each move of the player standing on tee. Nothing ever beats hard work. Good luck, destiny and blessings, everything sides with the hard worker. Only those who take defeats as lessons choose to rectify their mistakes, and errors are removed with practice. Prepare yourself for victory by hard practice. Till the next round. Soon, when all is well, you're going to look back on this period of your life and be so glad that you never gave up. Brittany Burgunder. Credits. Google. Golf quotes, mystic quotes. By Ahsan Jamil. Golfer, blogger, entrepreneur, author, poet, wanderer, photographer, rebel. Email golfage@gmail.com. Website golfage.com. Yo, YouTube Morning with Golf.